Good morning everybody and welcome to visit Fylde Coast, and what an absolutely beautiful day it is. It's half term, May half term, and it's already about 19 degrees and I'm actually filming this at 10 o'clock in the morning. It's beautiful. We've just seen the donkeys arriving for their day at work and we're going to go and take a walk along Central Pier. So please, before we get to that point, make sure that you've subscribed to the Visit Fylde Coast YouTube channel. Make sure that you've hit that little bell for notifications, and make sure that you give this video a like as well if you've enjoyed it. And we're going to go and take a walk now along the pier. So we're going to start here at the side of the pier. So this is the Terrace bar, and what a fabulous place to spend an evening if you're gonna come out for a drink. All outdoors, lovely bar, gin, prosecco, beer, vodka. Obviously it's 10 o'clock in the morning, so it's not open yet, but it's a lovely spot. And by the evening, when the sun is kind of up here, it's going to be in basking, beautiful evening sunshine. Gorgeous. This is a bouncy ride, waiting for inflation, as you might say. So we're going to go and take a walk along the pier, and we're going to go and see what we can find. So we've got the signage up at the top for the Kings and Queens show. This is the front and this is the entrance. This is where the amusements are and the entrance to the bars and things. And you can actually go straight through the building, which brings you out at the back, which you'll see in a minute. So we're going to go down this side. We're going to go around on a one-way tour. So we'll set off in this direction, and the piers as well are a perfect place for brilliant views looking straight across Blackpool seafront. So if you've got a bit of a photography thing going on, this is where you need to come, and this is a brilliant spot as well for fireworks and illuminations and all that kind of stuff. So it's well worth a walk along the pier on an evening. Oh, doesn't that look nice? Big wheel all ready for customers. And look at that for a beach. That's just lovely. That's just lovely. You can't say any other, can you? So, what would you like first? Ice cream, candy floss, hot dogs, game of darts? We'll go this way and then we'll come back down the other side. We've got hoopla. Morning.
Morning.
We've got donuts in the cafe, and a right view from up there if you've got the stomach for it. I mean, obviously we've established that I've not, but if you're so inclined, you'll be away up there. And look at that for a view. I know I keep saying it, but this is the view at this side. And I'm starting to get a bit peckish, so I'm looking at this takeaway menu and thinking, oh yes please. And it all smells very nice. Ticket to ride. This is vomit land for me. This is where I would start vomiting and throwing up spectacularly. Oh dear me, just imagine me on that. Dodgems. I always used to like Dodgems because you can kind of drive them and bump people without feeling like you're going to throw up. My first rent-a-car. There you go. Looks like a little bit of a running repair for a Dodgems bottom. Hi! You're on candid camera. Penalty shootout. Now you see, that's another one I'd fail on, because if I aimed for that, if I aim for a space, you can guarantee I'd hit the net or the flag or something. Sorry. Toilets. Ladies' toilets, gents' toilets. And I can vouch for them as well. I've been in there before. They are spotlessly clean. And these are the lovely souvenirs, these.
Can you lift me up? Oh, lady, cut down.
It's lovely to see people out and about enjoying themselves. This is more my kettle of fish. I could cope with a helter-skelter. That's about my level, that. We could perhaps do a video one day where I come and try the kids' rides. I think I'd be sick on that. Formula One. Candy heaven. Anything you like. You can have anything you like in Blackpool. Any tattoos? Little sausage dog. I don't think he's for sale though. Oh, what's this lady selling? I don't know what they are, but they look nice. Cake. Oh, they smell lovely. They smell lovely, they do. And we're going to go right round the end of the pier this morning. So I'm walking down one side and back round the other. And normally I'm feeling a little bit sort of out of kilter, because normally I would go down the left side and come back this way. So I'm kind of seeing things I wouldn't normally see. Look at that for a view. The donkeys are in action. They're already doing the rides. Look, you can just see them. They're walking across the sands. What a lovely day. It's quite a walk actually if you go the full distance around the outside perimeter of the pier. It's a lovely way to spend an afternoon or a morning. Plenty to do, plenty to see, plenty of places to sit. Obviously we've got social distancing stickers on the benches, but there's plenty of places to sit. And this is the very, very end of the pier. And South Pier is the one that's got the big adrenaline rides right at the very, very end of the pier. And this is the other bar. Look at that for a spot. See if we can dodge past these people. There you go. And I think if my memory, oh, that's awful. If my memory serves me rightly, that used to be an extension for boat rides. There is another video about the history of Central Pier, and a page on our website as well about it. Oh, goodness gracious me, just look down there. That is a long way down. Look at this family. That kind of gives you some idea how far down it is. Yucky doodah. Ugh. That's more my limit. We'll skirt around this side, shall we, and look at the tables. Diving or jumping from this pier is not permitted. Offenders will be prosecuted. Goodness gracious me. They'll not need prosecuting if they try and do it when the tide's out. Imagine that. Just imagine. And I think this one might be Pirates Bay Family Bar. Obviously it's closed at the moment because of the time of day, but it will be open later. And there's family entertainment as well at all the pier bars. So that'll be coming to life later today. And there you've got South Pier. The South Pier rides at the right hand side. If I just zoom in a little bit. And the big roller coaster of the Pleasure Beach. Because there's a little bit of a curve on it, on the coastline, it looks as if the Pleasure Beach, big one, is on South Pier, but it's not, I can promise you. I can promise you that. And look at all that beach. You can see now why people get cut off on sandbanks. There you go, here's another entrance into the bar. It's a nice bar actually, that. It's all themed inside. It's nice place. What more could you want? Little streams running down the beach. Yes, it's Pirates Bay. I've walked straight past it and not even noticed. Pirates Bay family bar. Now that would be really funny watching me try to eat cans. Not got much sense of coordination. Oh, here we go, sausages for sale. Woof woof. Hello, hello doggy. And this is where they'd had that unfortunate fire last year underneath the scaffolding. I'm not quite sure what they're rebuilding, but we're going to go and investigate and see what it is. Ooh, Grill House Company. That looks nice. Proud family-owned business. There you go, bratwurst sausages. Something new coming underneath here. If I were a betting woman, I'd guess that that's toilets. I won't swear to it, but it seems a shoppy kiosky shaped building. Or will be revealed. Bouncy Castle now. That's more my level. That's a whopper. Goodness me. Oh dear. Oh dear me. And what's that one called? I can't see from this angle, but it looks quite scary. Or at least it would be to me. So if you want a afternoon out funfair riding, you've definitely got your pick of different things to come on this pier. And then we're back to the astonishing view, look. And they're doing some maintenance work around the edges of the pier. And this is a lovely sun trap on this side. Get your ice cream and your drinks, and spend a lovely morning sat in the sun. Pirates Bay games, toy shop, teddy bears, wiggly snakes. And this is building work land. This is the last of the deluge of building work that's been going on all over Blackpool while it's been closed in lockdown. There's an enormous amount of work gone off everywhere you look. It makes such a difference. Thank you for visiting. See you again soon. There you go. Thank you for visiting Visit Fylde Coast, and thank you for watching this video of our little tour around Central Pier. Don't forget to make sure that you've subscribed to the Visit Fylde Coast YouTube channel. Make sure that you've hit that little bell for notifications, and make sure that you've given this video a like. And we'll see you again. We'll see you again soon. And I think we might actually go and take a walk round South Pier as well while it's such a lovely day. So you'll have to come back later for that one. Oh, the wheel's going round. Let's go round here and have a look at the lovely view of the pier. There you go, can you see the wheel? I don't know who's on it. Somebody's going to get a view at the top, aren't they? It's quite strange seeing so many people around. Oh, it's stopped. There you go, that's the pier from this side. And that wiggly circular thing was just moving then as well. Technical description. Wiggly circular thing. I'm just going to say that sounds like a tram. Tram to Central Pier. So I hope you've enjoyed that, and we will see you soon. Bye for now.